Have you ever pondered the profound question, what kind of world are we leaving for future generations? If so, you've likely considered the looming specter of climate change. It's a global issue that we, as a collective human race, have set into motion through activities that release greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. These gases act like a thermal blanket, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. Now, why should this concern us? Well, climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a humanitarian crisis in the making. It poses a plethora of risks that ripple through every facet of our lives. Imagine the ocean levels rising due to increasing temperatures causing glaciers and ice sheets to melt. This could lead to catastrophic flooding in coastal areas, potentially displacing millions of people. Consider the alterations in weather patterns. Climate change could bring about more extreme weather events, such as droughts, floods, and hurricanes. The result? A devastating loss of life and property, and severe disruptions to economies worldwide. And let's not forget the health implications. Climate change could lead to a surge in the spread of diseases, such as malaria and respiratory conditions, which could result in an increase in morbidity and mortality rates. Finally, the environmental impacts. Climate change could trigger drastic changes in ecosystems, leading to the extinction of numerous plant and animal species. We could lose precious biodiversity and witness irreversible changes in our landscapes. So what can we do about this colossal problem? The answer lies in both prevention and treatment. We can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by using energy more efficiently, driving less, and consuming locally produced items. Furthermore, we can invest in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power to decrease our reliance on fossil fuels. Another key aspect of prevention is protecting our forests. These natural carbon sinks help absorb carbon from the atmosphere. We can safeguard them by halting deforestation and planting more trees. In tandem with prevention, we also need to treat the impacts of climate change. We can adapt by constructing seawalls to shield coastal areas from flooding and by developing crops that can withstand drought conditions. Moreover, we can aim to reduce future greenhouse gas emissions by investing in cutting-edge technologies such as carbon removal technologies. In conclusion, climate change is a formidable adversary that threatens our future. However, we are not powerless. We can combat its effects by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, investing in renewable energy, and preserving our forests. Remember, the fight against climate change begins with each one of us. The world we leave for future generations depends on the decisions we make today. Let's ensure we make the right ones.